Hi everyone, welcome back to our personal portfolio web application build with Laravel. The starting point of our video is the result of our previous video. If you haven't seen that, I'll link that in the description down below. At the end of this video, you will be able to create a new education and save it in database. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is to go on resources, on views, on admin, on educations, create file called form.blade.php, and then go in index.blade.php file, move this modal education into our form.blade.php file. Alright, and now let's create a file called create.blade.php. Within, we are going to include admin.educations.form, and then go back in our index.blade.php file, include admin.educations.create. Alright, as you can see, when I click on this button, our modal still open to work. Alright, now we are going to fill out this form. So we'll go in form.blade.php file. Over here, add a name, institution, and over here, add a name, period, and over here, add the name, degree, and over here, add the name, department. Alright, now we are going walk around, save the information. So we'll go in create.blade.php file. Over here, add a form with method posts and action root admin.educations.store, add ssref token over here, and then close this form. Alright, we haven't created this root. Let's go on roots in web.php file. Over here, duplicate this root, and here it will be posts. The function will be store, and the name of root, it will be admin.educations.store. Alright, we haven't created this store function. Let's create it in educations controller. Over here, public function store, which get requests and variable requests, and over here create a new variable called education, which will get a new education. The variable education institution will get a request institution. The education period will get a request period. The request degree will get a request degree. The education department will get the request department. And then save this education. After that, we are going to be redirected to the root admin.educations.index. Alright, now let's go back in our browser, fill out this form, and when I click save, as you can see, it saves our new education. So it will be better if we will add a flash message. So let's go in our education controller, install function over here. Over here, we're going to be redirected to our education page with flash message education added. Now let's go in our index.blade.php file, add over here at includes message. Alright, let's verify if it works. When I fill out this form and save, the education is saved and you see our message here. Alright, now we are going to work around add a validation. So let's go back in our store function, add over here a request validate with institution required, and period required. Alright. Now let's go in our form.blade.php over here, add errors first, which is institution with message, copy this and paste it over here, and instead of institution it will be period. Alright, as you can see, when we try to create a new education without fill out this form, we will get these errors, which is better. Alright, so that is all about to create a new education. In upcoming video we are going to see how to edit and delete educations. If you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It motivates me to keep going. Thank you for watching.